Here's some progress for today. I lifted the front up with the jack there because I got the back bags installed and got those aired up. So I got plenty of clearance. I got about 4 inches of travel from the ground to the frame when I air it up, and the front end's not even jacked all the way up. So here's the rear. Got the bags in there, just mocked up. You can see I got quite a bit of clearance under there, all the way around. Like I said, the front's not even all the way up. I just kind of lifted it up there a little bit to see how much clearance I could get all the way around. So that gives me a pretty good ride height. That's what I got done today.